Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College yego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering nkwegeli bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na wigo Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics nkwegeli bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering nkwegeli bale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology nkwegeli bale Hairdressing wigo mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism nkwegeli bale Food Production yani Cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Maria Tengorogu James Barari Nyakundi principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha te yababere isiko ekiagara boniga ase Kitutu Masaba ndobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ubundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese nesekali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye bali chiloni cyo gosoma wetera help higher education loans board nekibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri tutokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school urendagera na gwakane se nyumba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri nga mwana ndo gwense gocha Kitutu Masaba wekawe bursary in full inta abana baito January intake nagendereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na application sinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi ni gwetrasa kinamba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Weri bya mwanchwa omo rigarari ne chumapiri yo mwelio ke gimankagrete gose ya kabiri gocha mwelio ase omwaka oyoiga o 2025 chitariki 24 chomutinyo komena kabire omwaka bwechiribu 2025 na mange agenda konegwa chinsemo ao korende ne chimapiri omwe na tata tanga chimapiri omwe alio toma kwenda ase umuyiga bugochengira Christmas oyo karitko liaramisi na igo ase obwengo muno nigo tokoja gukata mapema Merry Christmas and Happy New Year kurugaiga ase studio ito ya Getembe TV na Getembe FM kini kionga chinsa bila senchira yo kiranu njeni ngongor kwaro ni ototo nyangiri korwa sensa memenyerio nigo tokubwatana na Vanessa Nyaboke. Mwanjo mulige kionga chinsa ibere ni otokocha kurase county ya Kisii aseri tukulia lero mugavana bwe county ya Kisii na bwe mugavana bwe county ya Nyamira moske Muminyaribo na boigo moske Paul Simba Arati banyako bakomera na senga yaye Simba Arati asichinsa mocha mutondo asabanyako bagokwana amange na mono higoro kubwatirana elio kinya chi county ya Kisii na boigo county ya Nyamira na boigo gusira omugusi andonse asari bakwana chinga kiejo nigo bayana kibuna okubwatirana na kukuranya akabagogosukia egeta kukyomo gusi korwa segetambukira kama wochia asekende
ya abantu baminto abanane ward 20 kuru Nyamira na 45 kuru Kisii tukomera naga na wakonyor umwako no mwako manne semiaka njero masayo moke lakini kimwangeire ngubo enguba talwoigo enguba eshil usaraz mande ndegesa abo morogi abo moibi abo mukristo bonsi nabaki nabana abanta aras mande na gava no minto nanje kinanyo ribaga ngando muya kubwa nyaribo no kananyo ribaga litumo gikorut kurwani na bongo tenena ndire mwikera litanga ekena kina koleta mwako yaba tebye nyore ebintu ngakibyarenge twengo to muliro mbaga botuko gati ali Nairobi tokobora ningaki inakibiko lakini Nyasaye utali koli bitumo bikarangire
boundary chimboze kiaro mausi taribo na nyeji county in terms of management ile tofauti lakini akirogo jano mausi no montoyomo muna bona to watane ikababere gatanda aseruto tomata to tate project ye neden tor korwa ngiara kore lakini araiguna ngosunyo na tone ngeta ko ke kiano to como sabakena alamo igo abaswali matete kidore kimoja akifunji chao naende nano muzina maitabo obomo nechinguru obomo utotate kobe kanamo nechinguru cheito ekiamno mugusi buya to isaranzamo twagamba mangana mugusi naende motunga kiabana baitu nabachokoro baitu bakoba darbo simbatari kirani toto koigwana unanyomba bamuramo bari kora kwaro sana lakini kia wanyamo abantu abamunenya bayikoreki yomi ninge nyamere gana bego zumbara kina bego eko nani mambi aye muramo mokorageramo
kagukwana korwa ase inka eyo yomo gavanarati umugavana Amos Kimomi Nyaribo nigo boigareri bagaria bene na kumochia igati ya baria baringa magayo kugania okurusigwa kwa ya abisi umorobolio nyato kabago kuyolikwa amo ne bunge ye senate kolengana nere abange babo nigo barorekanire bale aboba bataganiti kumumira ase etebe asobo chole bane bumwe kubwe na 2025 na igo kwanekia buna bamurusiria abisi atachinjira chire chio bwororo gose chitaburi kubwatia lichi kugosogochorwa kwa bantu
ndokera na kamo politics of succession get term 2027 so second term ekia bajiro pima kara ko monyera na wandi ko banyor ya se palo timba konyara Wale Wono wale bwango watabwati patience na abawo ati atomo tamanya gari aiga osento morusio doju kuma zangi mutu lakini obo kene na obo una mwa gutu kiteri konyagara na ndero uju konyagara abo muraba na wata biboyere njo I think iba ariete kiapo njito kwane lakini okonyora nabarabo ebiazara bigo chachibesa n'ekinyiga kichiko baseyeto yenderese kerese yako gendera chibesa chigoja na bekorekana yabere biazara biya tarbo biazara bigo kwa chibesa mbiye biazara bigo kwa chibesa oregore biazara bitabwa faida to siega igebi karete faida wakarati atogendera lakini nkorangerie nere ngakio mwanya mbawo jotema ikiara no ni gorigererie impeachment yarengo anya division 1 ige 175 anya go 170 igon division 1 treasury yarengo igo impeachment yarengana ikiamba get numbers naenda ase chipa election to akora na amende chi namba isatu igo impeachment yarengo lakini chikorwende ochenji ngaki egento tara ike senate obisinere wenda go check errorena emotion yene what a treasure or not ibego saria bantu chiza
Omonjo murigereri tukolia lero nigo mujumbe we bunge ya West Mugirango muske wa Kili Steve Mogaka anyako agotala chia mate chiria chia sireti abamwabo ase emibasuko asumbasukano chinsemo chia omapei asanya kwa gutalira ase kenyorokia arangenyo kagukwana chinga kecho tikanya kwa kwanekia habuna nigo ere moni abisiae barajugo sira chia mate chinga kigendratene miroboli yokoenia abancho babo mulikito fatikari Disemba na mange
amatuko aberuka atigaire erio muyega bwokubaenia abantu 13 abo basiretie amagima abo asumbo basukano omobe bwipara oyo okorekanete ekrenyo na kwirira abantu 53 gusiria amagima abo abwo numo basukano onde oyo okorekanete chabera na kwirira abantu 10 gusiria amagima abo nigorero amariganyo yo kubaenia abo achakire
igo imechigira se getare very hard rock naende ontaite kuira libagaria bwango go celebrate aba engineer bane ba mainirie ubuina ase getare they are great men and nimba is award chian of recognition which mutwe
omubunge bwebunge ya West Mugirango muske Steven Mogaka igorero atarira chiama te chonsi chiria chiasiria abamwabo ase kenyoro kya rankenyo nanigo abariera eira yogochia kubasomia abana bonsi bare ase mechi eyobosa abo bare gochakira grade ya 10
inche buno mujumbe naenda as long as ndo mujumbe inatenena nate bangi mechi ya siriria abaiboli ya siriria breadwinners paralyzed emotionally igongo take over abana bali chiskuru chia colleges na high school once na grade 10 na universities igongo chikubaira on my own scholarship egere nkonya abana abo in honor of these great men and women biwete kokende rijumbe nimba tinendere gukora succession yo nyibintu biro by'umumina bitakire birose weterase cyobisi cyakoti na kadhalika nimba tinendere asama nganayo n'umucyumbu n'andi mu wakili egere monyora and pressure and stress
ase enkwana yaye boigo nigo mubunge oyo agendereire kuburia bonsi baria ase para koirang'ora na kera oyomo kubwatia amachiko ye para erio gokeania emibasukano
abantu baitu tugutumika chipara twabuchire n'ekigari kyabuchire n'ekipara kyaguteire tutararosie chitokurwani torosie tobe a developed nation gakitiga tobaba ng'ora ase chisafari cheito in particular karobogoletie chifamily kuranche genda ng'ora giswali gegoteba ngamwenda pole hajikwai
kubatikana netaro eyo yomoske Stephen Mogaka nigo asira chama techi chionsi charankenyo nechibando ebuni naboigo chishiringi chiribu emerongo ebere asekera omochie puna enchira eyemo yokogenderera korenda chama techo ritko liebirero erio rikageire ko bajumaine ritaraika
family arabu 3000 shillings chiaba sai bali bagotokonya kuna kwa gacha kinyumba chia balia tugucha koenia ya family ya constituency ya West Mugirango ne president yense igona cha ndemye family ye na ndentagete kwera mu president ngambu yamono egekogera very short notice una naira ne kuru Buganda na mutumirite message nga igubuna tuabeire igatebete ngaminyoka gucha moerese mtuaeresete na indaga pledge gutumira family chi support yayo manyene ya 1 million shillings
Hingo reporter Getembe koroigara nkenyo eyegotoke meye wodi ya Nyamaiya West Mugirange county ya Nyamira Nchefa Tigad Kisemba
na mwanjwa umo ligerili nigo kerisia igose kanisa ya Catholic ya nyora parish yenye iyo manyikata na St Ambrose parish ya Kabaya umo robele nya kabago chakiwa amo nomo bishop we diocese ya Kisii Bishop Joseph Mairura litukulia lero muyigo nya kuwekiranwa amo nababwatani abange be kanisa ya Catholic
This decree declares the language of lawyers. It is a legal language. Decree for the establishment of St. Ambrose Cadeo Parish. It is legally founded. I, Right Reverend Joseph Mairura Kenwa, Bishop of Kisii, after all necessary consultations and reflection, do hereby establish St. Ambrose Cadeo Parish in accordance with the Canon Law 516 number 2 and number 3. The new parish will have territorial boundaries comprising of 20 centers, 20 centers carved from 3 parishes, namely Namagwa, Ulembo, and Emake parishes. And any other center will be created in future. 20 centers. This decree here is being given
na na mwancho muligereri yoboretia ekerogo kyo bajumbe korwa ase bunge ya South Mugirango mwaka bachirwe na 15 na bagochirwe na 22 Dennis Makoli uyu nando Mike Masongo nigasokire na komochia obokoreri bwo jumbe bwe bunge yo Mosika Silvana Soro korenganere Mosika Soro taranya kabaga gukiraniria abomenyi be bunge ya South Mugirango amagendero na mono asokorosigwa wechpara na boigo amagendero andamange
chipara cheito karo guchirigereria range ani chipara chire main echinga makuri muna bone mbulego tua bantu nore no gweta mbali konyara gweta chipara chi takere korosugwa na mbeyemo epare main urwa itago ende kona ende geteni nyamaiya ende ira nego kona pale ya kwanirwa matuka mange lakini pale bado janyako no chipara paka dito bwate chief whip njegondo chief whip to bwate rieta because development teyo ni chipara chete chiseregete actually korumune tamu ya chaka ya 2022 para teyo no rena ya even a single kilometer ya bekirwe elami South Mugirango namba kabere university ya itonera ali ya Nyangweta umeshimiwa Manson yonga chake but muno sora soete prioritize and asengenje iyo a project yigereire ekuamete ne university elise koba Bugirango gera akonya abantu baito asatambe in terms of development abantu banyora se mirima bakolikwa banafunzi abagoche ndagira neyo ito bakoria so university era leta magendera mange sana ase Bugirango yetu so university yetu nabe kwa meeting MTC yetu ne aliere earmarked kobera nduru level 4 hospital nero ya kwoni roma tukamange batinjanye goche bona Bugirango bakwibolie ngaki tubwate chief whip. Chief whip is a very important person as a Kenya yete lakini wono gale lieta kenige yale
mwancho muligereri chinga kechecho boigo Mosike Dennis Makoli Songo niga kwanira igoro yiganga yaye omowasire mukuru gusomora ibwe kiama umukozi w'umurayi kiama ya Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i yokugania koriye kiro kyo burayi bwensa sabo chale bane bumwaka bw'ekirwe na 2025 kagukwana bariki bamangana Songo niga nyara kaba gakubolia mugusibwa nsi kumubwatisi Dr. Fred Matiang'i asabo iganyara kaba gakubolia kubwatisi kwa ase kiama kya Jubilee ekyo era manyene aene kya kunganya kurwa ase kiama kya ODM na gosoa ime ye kiama kyo kya Jubilee
abantu baito bagusi kwa jumla akaeli gaito gatenenire gakuru ku Fred Okinyi Matiang'i akaeli ya kugaito tigatobe magega yaye abaswahili babatewana mcheza kwao utuzu wono na into Fred ito uchire tigatobe magega ya Fred mchegonde one term asobo president Ruto abe one term president Matiang'i ache atokonye narora abantu bakale go confuse one term ya president na one term ende go chansa aba msiembaro batali one term babacha kwa two terms so let's not confuse akato kwa one term it means one term as a presidential kabara kwa one term go chansa mukwane lakini one term to gukwana yaga ne ya presidential tigamati ya nyoito ache ene muna soyere Jubilee injo manyene na soyere Jubilee yeah last time I ran on ODM on igande Jubilee and I'm urging abantu baito bonse pi to soyere Jubilee
mwancho mulige karaboni go toko eno mutimo komuke go tokera nya kwa toko endra ne kionga chinsa ibere magorbalero go tosko chare
esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering ngwegeli bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na wigo Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics ngwegeli bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering ngwegeli bale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology ngwegeli bale Hairdressing wigo mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism ngwegeli bale Food Production yani cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Marieta Ngorogu James Barari Nyakundi principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera boniga se Kitutu Masaba ndobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye gubali chiloni cyogo soma wetera help high education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri tutokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia ko menye school golendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye gubali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri nga mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we bursary in full inta abana baito January intake nagendereta abana bali bako school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na application sinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi ni gutrasa kiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirinkuma asogoko obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate event chiroadshow chinyange amatanga chianniversary na yenda mangamna wono photography videography live stream ne coverage na yende amange kurubare obokoreri ase tent ebirogo decoration lighting chikapet na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Ouru Towers somo chobosungu angena AM Taylor samange ba kresimia sinamba 0721217817 Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
Mwanzo mulike karibu ase nsemo ya kabiri kionga chinsaibire ema goroba ya lero mokonyi bw'omonene bw'omunyanyimbo oyo maikazwa DIG Eliudira gato tukulia lero iganya kabaga kora irumbe ya barendi gosaba bwatani ba sector y'oburendi gochya chinsemo tia angata barikoi imeye county ya Narok ase anyara kuba kwandika munaniga serikali ganda kubeka mirobali ya bene elikwandika muna oburendi gorene kubure ase chinsemechyo ase kungusana na kwabere kwandika wasegeka akwirira abantu abangi gusiria magemabo na abandi gotigerwa chingoma ase egeka egetambe
My name is Lagat. I'm accompanied by DIG KPS and Commandant General Service Unit with other senior officers here. As you are well aware that we have been having a situation here in Lolgorian and parts of Transmara South and East. This situation has been aggravated and fueled by ethnic clashes between the two communities. We are here to come and find out what is the problem. And the biggest problem we are having here is just issues that can be solved when people, especially the two communities, the leaders of these people, can sit together and work together. But now in the failure to do so, we are now moving today to stamp security, to do a security operations in some areas. We are going to cassette some areas today, starting today, as disturbed areas, and we are going to put a curfew starting 6 for the purpose of controlling and managing security situations. You are aware that we have so far, within a span of a month, we've lost four people. That is far many to me. But we are saying this afternoon that
na mwanzo mulili tukolia lero niko habara ibikia magiodi mpanya kwa gukira na chinse mo cha rugari munenjera ya myo ya amata ya baidi na basani ebanya gosira Cyrus Chirongo uyolengo mujumbe o rugari uyosiria obogima bwaye angeike ya moya itire gotera tumbasukana gwe para kakwana ase taleyo omokonyi bumuraiwe kiama gia ODM Godfrey Ososi niganyara kaba gakoboria ababwatani be kiama gia ODM gotina bakongu na koene kiabuna onse alike aboletiwe gosali anyata kaba gakobeko kubwatana gatyo muraiwe kiama kyo muskiraira Odinga nyagosira abayiga umuraiwe enso muskibira muruto aikiraniwe.
Hawa vijana wanaweza kuwa compensated. We have the power of mercy. Those who are in jail, there is power of mercy. And we have other institutions like Kenya Human Rights Commission. Kwa hivyo, me as Ososi, me as a deputy party leader, I support broad-based, but I also insist the 10 points agenda, which is a legacy of Raila Amolo Odinga. Sisi watu wa ODM. If we really love Raila Odinga, if we really respect him, tafadhali, both of us in ODM and even on the UDA side, when we talk about the 10 when we talk about broad-based, let us also remember that we have a people's document with the 10 issues, and me, I will continue talking about that forever until it is done, because I know when it is done, everyone is going to be very happy. Kama chama cha ODM, we are strengthening ourselves. Tumefanya uchaguzi na tunaendelea hivyo. Ikifika 2027, vile baba alisema, we will sit down and agree on how we are moving. We will evaluate and decide how we are moving. Kama itakuwa ni UDA tunaenda nayo, and we have all agreed and we have consulted widely.
Mwancho mwaligereri goikirabo na tokolera mwana mayeke onga chinsebele tukeliga lia lero lituko lia Jumapili njeni kongoro kwaro ni ototo nyengiri kuransa mwimenyererio nigakoro kwa Vanessa Nyaboke na kuransa mwe transmission nigakoro kwa Mike Willis togo ni rotwale obo tuko obuya na boigo twarabuliri obuya na boigo again togende ko tabinga Merry Christmas and Happy New Year yere ngura tayara tole angachi wiki bele kurbono mwancho mwaligereri kendera ko twarabuliri obuya meta TV kyoga kya mamusi.
Bagaka ninjo, ninjo getembe, ninjo dorome, mangana mazi, bagina ninjo.
Ange iri bamura bange turetie ito baichore. Koba gotema baisanire ngiro kwe na lingo maita ko bakorwasero gito ya ora babisa nkoro. Abamura koru bakoro na bakalendire ikinsi nyonga njetali sinyoma kono mba muleta bwati. Bono gosaba ko mugusina ko alinga tange iri bamura bange turetie ito baichore. Koba gotema baisanire ngiro kwe. Banga nambalere iyo. Na liongo maite ko bakorwasero gito ya ora babisa nkoro. Abamura no hore na abaswati bali bali n'engencho kabisa abaswati kalinya chiebo kabisa okonyora rende tumuchayo kiri na bwana bagusia aliko sabanga yaya ingaba nabanga bunabu abana abaya murabaya tangeiri ba murabange tuletie ito bayichore na umugusia atebete ngenche kabireyo ko bagotema baisanere ngirokwe naringo maiteko bwakurwasero gitoya ora babisankoro bawanga kai muchiori nobugi ari tokubya abantu bali mpiya bali nabantu beteregete buya
Baraka ninjo getembe ninjo dorome ninjo manana man.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igeko kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering ngwegeli bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na we go Water Engineering. Ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics ngwegeli bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na we go na Network System Administration. Ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering ngwegeli bale Electrical Installation na we go Electrical Engineering. Ase ensema ya Cosmetology ngwegeli bale Hairdressing we go mbabwate Fashion Design. Ase Hospitality and Tourism ngwegeli bale Food Production yani cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production.
Asa Maria Tengorogu James Barari Nyakundi principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera bonigase Kitutu Masaba ndobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye bali chiloni cyogo soma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cy'umwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school urendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya. Egento kende abana nkwaye bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries. Ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba. Egende getangania tabiri mwana ndo base gocha Kitutu Masaba we kagwe bursary in full inta abana baito January ni tekinega ndereta abana bali bako school January mwakaribishwe ndogenderete na intake na application sinchigenderete
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi ni gutrasa kiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Hazina Siri Event Services ne company ya Chirenkuma asogoko obokoreri ase chinse mobuna corporate